What's going on, Snack Nation? It's been a minute, man. It's been a while, actually. I don't know how long it's been, but damn, it's been a minute since I recorded for this channel. I've been busy with music. Oh my goodness, that mixtape! I gotta play it. That mixtape that I just dropped. I have to leave the link to that tape in the description. I'm holding the camera right now, but I want to give a round of applause to my team. We killed it. That mixtape was amazing, guys. If y'all want to check it out, I'm gonna leave it in the description below. Oh my God, y'all are gonna be surprised of how good it is. It is amazing. But yeah, man, it's been a minute. I don't know how many months it's been, but I'm gonna find out once I upload this video or in the process of uploading it. But yeah, you know, the locks are still up in this style. I have not really taken them out. I think I took them out like twice since I uploaded the last video. I don't know if that's good or bad or not, but we're gonna find out because I'm actually gonna wash my hair. Don't think I'm gonna be videotaping that. Reason being because my phone's about to die. And I just want to give a quick little update on the locks here. But you know, still got them up in this style. I'm not gonna take them out the ponytail right now because I know it's gonna look weird. Like it's just gonna stay like this until I separate them and wash it. But yeah, just want to give y'all a quick little update of the locks, man, because it's been a minute. I've been really busy with music, with just life shit in general. But yeah, these are the locks, man. And I know that I have look at that, I have a lot of new growth. I have not taken it out, but look at all that new growth. I have a lot of new growth that needs to just be, you know, washed down and you know, it needs to show, man. A lot of that new growth is just piling up right here. But yeah, these are the locks, man. I still got the little locks right here on my hanging down on my face. This I just love this style, like, you know, the two ponytails. Guys, if y'all have locks yourselves, you know, I won't mind y'all trying out this style as well, man. I love this style. It's an amazing style. But yeah, you know, a lot of my locks still look the same, but they're just like thicker and longer, you know. But yeah, just want to give y'all a quick little update. But yeah, I know they've gotten longer since the last time, so I'm gonna wash those. I might put a picture after this video of how they look, or a video of how they look after I'm done washing them, but I'm sure they're gonna be long as hell. But yeah, this has been an update on the locks, man. I really hope y'all enjoyed. Like I said, I'm really gonna be posting more on my music channel because I'm gonna have some music videos coming out. So if y'all want to also keep up with the lock process, y'all could definitely check out the music videos that are gonna drop soon. Over time, you're gonna see how my locks progressed because I'm gonna drop a lot of music videos. So I'm gonna leave the link to my music channel in the description below. And yeah, and follow me on Instagram because I have a new Instagram @ name. Follow me on Instagram @ turnt.snacko. I'm gonna leave that in the description below. That is, if y'all have any questions about your freeform locks, if you just need any answers and you don't have those answers, I can provide you with those answers, you know. Or if you just want to have a simple conversation, hit me up, man. I'm always talking back to fans and just people that just want to talk, man. So hit me up, bro. That's that, man. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys. Probably gonna drop another video next weekend. So stay tuned for that. Love you guys.